To make clear slime, you'll need 3.4 ounces of clear glue, 1.6 ounces of water, 20 milliliters of contact lens solution, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and about 200 milliliters of hot water. So first we're going to combine our water with our school glue or clear glue. Just stir that together. And we'll add our saline solution. And if you'd like to add color, you can go ahead and put a few drops of food color. Now we're going to dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda and hot water. Go ahead and stir that until the baking soda is dissolved. So your baking soda and water solution has cooled down. You can now add your glue mixture. So we'll slowly add it to our water here.
Wow.
Yeah. And it should start coming together, as you can see. We're making slime, huh? So we can go ahead and scoop it out. Look at that. So we just made clear slime. Once all the moisture has evaporated, you can go ahead and play with your slime.